Okay. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is our cooking show. This is Sonia's cooking show. So this is like my right hand partner or something like that. But I'm sure you get what I'm saying. So what we need is some eggs, some potato, right? And some oranges, bacon, and just make sure the bacon that you buy isn't domesticated. It must be very nicely organized. So we have some pepper, salt, well, cigarettes just here for display. Some pepper, and of course, like you can see, we already did partly. Oh, it's amazing. You should try it. But then, let's go back to this. So you have to stir so that the lining can evaporate into the mixture. Otherwise, people, you won't get a great dish if you don't follow instructions. So, see, it's evaporating in itself. My partner, he's new. Still learning, but I have such a good heart. I always, it's fine. I'll just do everything myself. Okay, so
how old is it?
The eggs must be very fresh, very young and fresh eggs. Please note this. This is very important for the destruction of the dish itself. Please. Young fresh eggs.
Young and eggs.
Young and eggs always. Everything is young spirit, you know?
Okay, what's next? You must take.
Okay, so my partner, what else? Okay, so I'm switching